All aboard!
Welcome to the Storytime train. Please subscribe to enjoy more books read aloud.
Pete the Cat's Cool New Ride by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete the Cat's ride was awesome. It was groovy. It was new. But best of all, it was blue. Pete felt like one cool cat rolling down the street. Pete saw his friend Grumpy Toad walking down the road. "Hop in," said Pete. "Pete, your new car is groovy," said Grumpy. "I would dig a ride. How many friends can fit inside?" "Me and you, that's 1 + 1. Driving together is twice the fun." "Cool," said Pete. Two groovy friends went rolling down the street. They saw Callie and her friend going to dance class. "Hop in," said Pete. "Pete, we dig the wheels," said Callie. "We would love a ride. How many friends can fit inside?" 2 + 2. There is plenty of room for you. "Awesome," said Pete. 4 groovy friends went rolling down the street. Gus and the band were heading down the road when Pete came riding by. "Hop in," said Pete. "Pete, your car is cool," said Gus. "We would love a ride. How many friends can fit inside?" 1, 2, 3, 4. We can make room for 3 more. "Sweet," said Pete. 7 groovy friends went rolling down the street. They stopped and saw Turtle slowly crossing the road. "Hop in," said Pete. "Pete, your car is far out," said Turtle. "I would love a ride. How many friends can fit inside?" 7 + 1 will be tight for sure, but surely there is room for 1 more. "Great," said Pete. 8 groovy friends went rolling down the street. They saw Bob and his friends heading to the shore. "Hop in," said Pete. "Pete, your wheels are out of sight," said Bob. "We would love a ride. How many friends can fit inside?" 8 + 2. That's a lot of friends. We can squeeze till we're all packed in. Right on. 10 groovy friends went rolling along, but something was very wrong. There's no more room. Nobody could move. What could Pete do? Pete thought the new ride would be more fun if there was enough room for everyone. So Pete said goodbye to his cool new ride and said, "Hello, groovy bus. Now there is room for all of us." The end.
Thanks for riding the Storytime train. Please subscribe for more reading adventures.